What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I'm here to talk about the A51. Today I went out, took some camera samples. I didn't really go in depth. I didn't really try to set up the perfect shot. I try to do what I call a consumer type shooter. Just, most consumers, people, average people, they just want to get their phone out, take a good picture, get some good video, some good scenery and what have you. Now, I could have took the time to fine tune it, set the perfect angles, take into the account where the sun was located from my shot and the angle. There's so many various degrees you can do to try to make a perfect shot. But I wanted to see how the camera react to a very cloudy situation. It's not very sunny. We're in the winter season here in Michigan, so there are some breaks in the cloud. There is some gloominess. But in my opinion, the camera did a pretty good job of, bringing out colors and, taking into account the gloominess, that the camera actually performed pretty well. So I was, I'm not to say I'm shocked, because in today's market, you can pretty much find great cameras. You can't find that professional grade like you could in a DSLR in phones, but we're getting pretty close to it. And I don't suspect that the A51 will be there anytime soon, but it does take great pictures for a mid-range phone. So I'm going to give you some of the samples that I have. Check them out. Tell me what you think about them. And I also took a few evening shots. Now, I do believe when you do use the night vision that is equipped on the A51 camera app, that I don't think you should take these pictures in complete darkness. I think there should be some lighting to it, some contour to help aid the camera. I think it's kind of unfair when people try to take these pictures in a totally unwinnable situation for these cameras. So I try to put the camera in the best possible position to get the best possible picture for me. So again, check out the samples. Let me know what you think, and I'll check with you guys at the end of the samples. Check out the video stabilization. Let me know what you guys think about this video stabilization. 1080. Wonder how that looked to you guys. Shooting at 1080. Looks pretty good. Nice cold day in Michigan. At 1080 full, one of the settings for 1080. The last two aspects ratios was 4:3 and 16:9, but this is being shot at 1080 full. Pretty good. 16:9, 2K front facing camera. Cold day, real quick check. Samsung A51. Front facing, 1080, 16:9 aspect ratio. Kind of gloomy day, so not too many cloud reproductions. Check out that background over there. Pretty good. This camera is pretty good, guys. Front facing, full display at 1080. A little different than FHD 1080. Swing it around. I'm at the park. Sun is that direction. Sun is over there. How that's
reproducing the clouds. Looks good.
The A51 actually did a pretty good job. You know, under cloudy conditions, it did a good job of representing, you know, the colors in the background. I did take some night shots and late evening shots. I do believe in putting the camera in the best possible position to take that great shot for you. So I don't really believe in taking these shots where there's total darkness and you're trying to, you know, make the camera do more than what it's supposed to. I think nighttime shooting is with, you know, some nice lighting, nice atmosphere, finding that right angle to help get a great shot. And there are some camera tests where people pretty much put the camera in an impossible situation to succeed, but that wasn't my goal. But overall, the A51 camera is a great camera for a mid-range phone. You shouldn't be disappointed. Like I said, it's the winter season in Michigan and it was pretty cloudy. There was some breaks in the sun, but the camera performed well, and I'm really impressed with the A51's camera. So again, if you like this video, everybody, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody next video. I'm out.